we've got another QUICKRiP, and today we got a Final Fantasy collector booster. Let's rip it open and see what's inside. We got Summon Fat Chocobo. We've got Omega Heartless Evolution, looking all rad. We've got Full Art Mountain and Foiliness. We've got, ooh, a MYTHiC Kefka Court Mage. That's pretty sweet. Looking all rad. We've got Elena Turk Recruit. We've got Go-Go Mysterious Mime. We've got, oh, a Summon Bahamut. We've got a Finn the Fangbearer. And behind that, we've got, oh boy, we got Sephiroth Fabled Soldier in foil alt art. Now, is this, it's Surge Foil. It's Surge Foil, boys. Let's go.